So it's a pretty cool piece of technology. If any of you are interested, or if you just want to like know about it, you should definitely check it out. But yeah, it's really cool, and I use it a lot because it makes products really lightweight and it's very cheap
That's a good point.
compared to other products, other plastics that other companies use. So it's very efficient for my purpose. And in general, other pieces of technology, I used an Arduino Uno and a kit that came along with that.
So I'm
So that's
stopping
another
you.
one.
Kids
Mhm.
are definitely going to say, Archie, what did you just say to us? What is that? What does that mean?
Yeah, so an Arduino Uno is a piece of electronic equipment, and
Mhm.
it basically acts as a computer. So it has like it has a lot of features. You can connect it from wires to motors, you can connect it to lights, you can connect it to buzzers, you can connect it to so many different sensors, and try experimenting with the circuitry system. So the
Mm.
kit that I used is called the Arduino Uno kit,
Mhm.
and it comes with a couple lights, it comes with a fan, and it allows you to experiment and play around with that.